Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to generate a chart using Perplexity AI. This is incredibly useful when you need quick data visualizations without switching between multiple tools or platforms. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and type perplexity.ai into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your account information to access the platform. This step ensures you have full access to all of Perplexity's features, including chart generation capabilities. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main interface. Here, your attention should focus on the chat input box positioned right in the center of the page. This is where all the magic happens. Click inside this box to activate it, and then type a clear prompt requesting a chart. The key here is to be specific about what kind of chart you need and what data you want visualized. The more detailed your prompt, the better Perplexity AI will understand exactly what you're looking for. Once you've typed your prompt, it's time to submit it. You can do this in two ways. Either press the Enter key on your keyboard for a quick submission, or locate and click the Submit button on the interface. Both methods work perfectly fine, so choose whichever feels more natural to you. Now comes the brief waiting period. After you submit your request, give Perplexity a few seconds to process your prompt and generate the chart. The AI is working behind the scenes to analyze your request, gather the necessary data, and create a visual representation. This typically happens quite quickly, but depending on the complexity of your request, it might take a moment longer. Just be patient and let the system do its work. Once your chart appears on the screen, you might want to save it for future use or include it in a presentation or report. To download the chart, navigate to the specific chart you want to save. Look for the three dotted lines, often called a menu icon, located near the chart. Click on these three dots and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Download. This will save the chart directly to your device, making it ready for whatever purpose you need it for. And there you have it. You've successfully generated and downloaded a chart using Perplexity AI, streamlining your data visualization process in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.